Good evening, everyone. It is an absolute pleasure to welcome you here in the desert city here in Madrid. And this is not the first experience for us in the desert. For Mitsubishi Motors, we learned a lot about SUVs and all-wheel drive technology in the Sahara Desert with our Pajero. And that SUV and all-wheel drive technology know-how, as well as our long-standing expertise in electric vehicles, are very much a core part of our brand DNA. And of course, fully integrated into our new flagship model, the new Outlander PHEV. I must say, I have been looking very much forward today to coming here to the desert city, and it's not every day that we reveal a new flagship model. And that is what all new Outlander PHEV, simply the best of Mitsubishi Motors design and technology, all of the know-how which we have been gathering over the 100 years experience, packed into one model. The Outlander PHEV is the ultimate expression of Mitsubishi Motors brand, and this is the message to all our customers, current and future.
Thank you, Frank, and good evening, everybody. It's great being here tonight, the very special event to introduce the new Outlander PHEV, finally to European market. The Outlander PHEV is indeed the ultimate expression of what we call Mitsubishi Motors-ness, or in other words, Mitsubishi Motors DNA. In our 50-year history in European market, we are well known for our SUV and all-wheel drive expertise. The unique all-wheel control technology is our heritage, along with the iconic models such as Pajero and Lancer Evolution. We are also well known for our battery EV and plug-in hybrid vehicles. iMEV is the first mass-produced pure battery EV in the world, introduced back in 2009. And Outlander PHEV was originally introduced in 2013 as the first SUV-type PHEV. We then followed that with Eclipse Cross PHEV. Together, we sold over 200,000 PHEVs in Europe alone. And not only we have the long experience of electrified vehicles, but we have also proven its reliability through rally competition. Outlander PHEV participated in Asian cross-country rally, famous as the severest off-road rally in the region, and completed the race without trouble for 3 consecutive years from 2013. The new Outlander PHEV brings all that heritage, expertise, and reliability into one model. The new Outlander will be a flagship in Mitsubishi Motors' new product portfolio in Europe. It comes with a reliable PHEV system, state-of-the-art all-wheel control system, advanced safety system, connected services, top-notch audio system, and very super comfortable interior and interface, you name it. In the coming session, you are about to witness all the details. And we are very pleased to launch this great product to Europe. So, ladies and gentlemen, before we explore the new Outlander PHEV with the help of my colleagues, I think it is time to take a look.
ambition. Mitsubishi Motors.
Good evening, everyone. So here is the Nuevo Outlander PHEV. When you first saw this kanji here on the screen, you are probably wondering what it means and what it have to do with Outlander PHEV. So this is a product concept upon which car has been designed and developed. Ifu Dodo is a Japanese idiom, which means majestic and authentic in English. To bring this concept to life, we focused on 4 key areas: the impressive presence, all-time comfort, safe, secure feeling, upper-class quality cabin, and new-level driving performance.
Good evening. It's also my pleasure to be here with you today. So as a program design director, I'd like to take you through our approach to the SUV design and the design language we have used. In the front, the core element is our signature dynamic shield, which projects both distinctiveness and robustness. The bold stride and bold design is ready for the adventure it expresses. Confidence, Mitsubishi heritage associated with the iconic Evo and classic Pajero SUV to bring a look of the performance and protection. The dynamic shield also integrates the advanced lighting technology. For example, the headlamp and DRL is separated, enhancing the vehicle's strong look, maximizing the visibility and usability, but minimizing the glare for the other road users of incoming car. For the rear, the design had to reflect the similar and constant sense of the strength. To achieve this, we create the new rear concept, hexaguard horizon concept. The design character is inspired by the Pajero as an expression of the high stability, performance, and confidence. The hexagonal motif enhances the robustness of the new Outlander PHEVs. This approach is enhanced further by the use of the lighting signature. The T-shaped LED lamp helps to emphasize the stability and wheels, symbolize the horizon and the direction of the vehicle's heading. Okay, moving to the interior. The cabin also incorporates the bold straight design philosophy, expresses a sense of the reliability, luminous, and prestigious feeling. The instrument panel is a good example. It's made upon the horizontal axis concept, which gives a sense of the luminous and width. But more than that, it delivers a function. For example, if you go on a mountain road and your car is leaning on the mountain, this horizontal line indicates you how much your car is leaning. It helps the driver to recognize the terrain condition. Inside the cabin, we wanted to create a sense of the space for the all occupants that's both comfortable, visually appealing, and very high quality. So we turn to the traditional word, Japanese craftsmanship, taking a meticulous approach to the materials and each details. And the attention to the detail is carried over to the all operating elements, such as the steering wheel, shift lever, all elements of the dials. So those delivers the easy operation and the reliable feeling. We called this the Mitsubishi touch. We have given the new Outlander PHEV totally new design for the meter and infotainment systems. It provides the outstanding visibility and high-quality graphic design with the prestigious look and advanced feeling. Finally, our customer can choose between a range color of the both exterior and interior, all carefully developed to give the same underlying sense of the strength and modernity. Especially the new colors in the Mitsubishi Motors palette called Moonstone Gray, which you see on the car here today. So it's the give a blue tone to the overall solid gray look.
Thank you for the welcome, Akita-san, and good evening to you all. As Chief Vehicle Engineer, it is my job to develop the new Outlander PHEV and all of the technology within. And I can tell you there is a lot. So simply put, the technical concept of Outlander PHEV is integration of our electrification technology and all-foil control technology into one flagship model. Now for the new generation long-range PHEV system, it is EV-based. So it's drive like an EV, which is responsive, powerful, and smooth acceleration. And the system choose the one of three different driving mode, which is EV mode, series mode, and parallel mode, based on too much the driver demand or the condition including amount of charge in the battery. So basically, it's a very smart system which leads the condition and maximizes the efficiency and delivering power on demand. Speaking of power, it is plenty. My 2.4-liter engine and the twin electric motor combine the maximum output of 225 kilowatt. And of course, as a PHEV, Outlander is a low-emission vehicle with 18 gram per kilogram CO2 emission according to WLTP driving mode. And when we talk about our technology, it is also important to talk you through super all-foil control technology. So SAWC uses the information from variety of sensors, and the system distributes the torque or braking force to all four drive tires individually, making a best use of friction like a cheetah. And this fully integrated twin motor system delivers the full four-foil control capabilities for driving confidence in any conditions. And Outlander PHEV, because it is EV-based and twin motor systems, we can control distribution torque much more precisely or efficiently than pure ICE vehicles. So driver has an ultimate control of SAWC system to work with 7 driving modes. Normal, eco, power can be selected based on your preferred driving style, and tarmac, gravel, snow, and mud are tuned for different terrain conditions. So you can select most suitable driving mode according to driving conditions. And this is all what I want to speak to you tonight. And now I would like to invite Frank-san again on the stage. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Honda-san, and thanks to all of the MMC team for being here and telling us all about new Outlander PHEV. And we have been selling more than 200,000 PHEV since the launch more than 10 years ago. And many of our customers have been asking us, when is the new model coming? Well, here it is. There is no long wait anymore. Production will start basically at the end of this calendar year, and you will see the new Outlander PHEV in the Mitsubishi showrooms throughout Europe from February onwards. We will be announcing prices and opening, of course, order books soon, so make sure you visit our website and we will keep you informed, of course. Thank you very much. Good evening.
Drive your ambition. Mitsubishi Motors.